Renovating Evercare Hospital, a modern transformation by trendy construction company. Welcome to our blog, where we're excited to share the latest updates on our renovation project at Evercare Hospital. We are thrilled to share the exciting journey and triumphant completion of the renovation project at Evercare Hospital, expertly undertaken by Trendy Construction. This transformative endeavor has not only rejuvenated the physical space, but has also set new benchmarks in healthcare infrastructure. From its inception, the vision for Evercare Hospital's renovation was clear: to create a state-of-the-art healthcare facility that combines functionality with aesthetic appeal. Trendy Construction took on the challenge with dedication and creativity, ensuring every aspect of the project aligned with the client's aspirations. Central to the success of this renovation was the innovative design approach employed by Trendy Construction, emphasizing efficiency without compromising on elegance. The team meticulously planned every detail, from structural but exceeds the expectations of modern healthcare environments. Craftsmanship is the hallmark of every project undertaken by to detail. This commitment to excellence ensures a lasting legacy of superior construction. At the heart of the renovation project was the goal to enhance the patient experience. Trendy Construction implemented design elements that prioritize comfort, accessibility, and a calming atmosphere. From soothing color schemes to intuitive layout designs, every decision was made with the patient's well-being in mind. In line with global trends towards sustainability, Trendy Construction integrated eco-friendly practices throughout the renovation process. Energy-efficient systems and environmentally conscious materials were selected to minimize the hospital's carbon footprint while optimizing. Trendy Construction remains committed to pushing boundaries and redefining excellence in construction. With a portfolio that continues to grow in complexity and scale, we are excited about future opportunities to innovate and inspire. The renovation of Evercare Hospital is more than just a construction project to us. It lives of patients and healthcare professionals. Thank you for joining us on this exciting adventure as we redefine